A poor girl is hanging out with two posh friends. The first posh friend says, "My husband just bought me a yacht." And the poor girl replies, "Oh, how wonderful." The second posh friend says, "My husband just got us a huge house on the coast of Tahiti." And the poor girl says, "Oh, how wonderful." One of the posh friends asks the poor girl, "And your husband, has he bought you anything?" She replies, "Yeah, he got me some diction lessons to improve my speech. So, before I used to say axe, but now I say ask. Before I used to say etc., but now I say etc. And before I used to say I don't give a flying fuck, but now I say oh, how wonderful."